For this we need scissors, rope, glue, tissue paper and vase. Step 1. Open the tissue paper. Step 2. Cut it in half. Keep it together. Do this to the other tissue paper. Step 3. Fold it like a paper fan. Step 4. Tie it with the wood. Step 5. Peel the tissue paper as shown. Done spreading out the tissue paper. Step 6. Make another one like this. Step 7. Tie them together. Step 8. Stick them to the face as shown. Now we are done with the tissue paper flowers. Thank you for watching. Bye.